separated themselves from the rest. And Del Toro is about to be replaced, I think, on the front, unless something remarkable happens. Here comes Tadej Pogacar rolling around Jonas Vingegaard, and it could well be a 1-2 finish here for the UAE Team Emirates XRG squad. Vingo picks up on the tail of Tadej Pogacar. No one wants to go too early, but it's Pogacar that has the opportunity, and Del Toro almost rides into the barrier. He still has the lead, and Pogacar, I think, wants to try and create a situation. He wants Del Toro to win this stage, and that's a remarkable thing, even with all the bonus seconds available. It's a 1-2 finish. Would you believe it, for the UAE Team Emirates XRG squad? And how well was that played by Tadej Pogacar as he escorts the Mexican champion all the way to glory and to the victory on stage 2. Jonas Vingegaard, nothing he could do about it. He's first up to congratulate Isaac Del Toro, who takes the victory and collapses in joy and ecstasy at the level and the measure of his achievement. But that was Tadej Pogacar gifting him that one, and beautifully so.
How good did Pogacar look in that finish? That was incredible, and even to be alert enough just to allow this man to win his first Tour de France and his first Tour de France victory. This is a moment. This is the moment of the race. Incredible.